Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hi everyone, this is the project I'm making today. Thought I would share it with you. Oh, a little adhesive there. This is just a small gift for my sister, and I decorated it up with that share what you love. And I'm going to do a little number 2 gift. So I wanted to share with you how to do it. All right, I have 2 pieces. One 4x4 and one 3.5 by 3.5. So this is obviously going to be the lid, and this is going to be the base. So I'm going to score at 1/2 inch on all sides. All right, now I'm going to use a box maker shim, and you can find the information if you Google search box maker shim by Connie Stewart. She has a really good explanation. So I'm going to score at 1/4 inch on all 4 sides. So this just gives a little lip. Do make sure that your paper is butted up against the paper and not underneath it, or the shim, I should say. All right, this is the hard part. This is a very thick paper with a very thin score line. So I'm going to score it with my fingers first so that I don't warp anything, and then go in with my bone folder after. All right. And then folding this one, this is easy. Okay, so I'm going to cut up on the score line and wedge this out. And pretty much the same with all of the sides and corners. I'm going to do the same with this box. You can't see, and I can barely see. So I'm going to just wedge out a little bit. But not on the side. It's going to weaken it if I do. So just a little wedge to take out that score line. All right. I'm going to bring adhesive in. Just a little dot of Tombow. And then I sort of spreading it out with the nozzle. Don't want too much adhesive, but I do like the fact that I can kind of get everywhere. Whoops. So now all I have to do is adhere the box together. This reminds me of old school. This is how, when I first started doing videos, I only had Tombow glue. Don't go back and look at all the, just don't do it. I had such a horrible camera set up, and it's amazing. You know, 4 years have gone by and almost 5 now. I signed up during celebration of 2014 in March. So, all right, so here we are. This, I'm going to put a little bit of Tombow glue here too and smoosh it around. Okay, now I'm going to put it on the box, and I'm just going to use the box corner so that I can get that those edges square, if you know what I'm saying. All right. All right. So I just have a little firefly that I'm sending to a friend. So it had to be flat. I'm going to just put it in a little bag. So this is similar to the one that is in the other box. All right, now, okay, that fits perfectly now, but it does like to poof off. So, this is that new, I think it's called, hang on, Mary Merlot and Copper Reversible Ribbon. It's gorgeous. So, to prevent that little gift bag poofing off the lid, I'm going to just put a lovely bow on it. All right. So this will fit in a padded envelope, I think, and it should be perfect to mail. Okay, so I have a little bit of white card here, and I have a little bit of that beautiful Share What You Love Designer Series paper. So I'm just going to glue it right on top, and then I'm going to have my was it Everyday Label? It's a label punch. So basically I just have colored a little bit of that label. And this is our trio punch. So the thing is that there's a line right in here so you can see what you're doing. And that way you can line up your paper so that you got it in the center. So there's a beautiful centered hole. It's a little off center, but whatever. And I just have some Whisper White Baker's Twine here. Oh, I forgot to stamp. So this just says for you. I got it out of my Labels to Love, this little scripty for you. I wanted, because this isn't for anything. There's no birthday, no nothing. It's just a little gift to share with the people that I'm thinking about. I hope I don't smudge this. All right, and then I'm just going to take one end, slip it under, slipping it under my perfect bow. And there you go. So a little matchy-matchy gift. Thought it was super cute. I want to get these away in the mail for tomorrow, so I'm glad I was able to share that with you. Thanks so much for hanging, and I'll see you next week.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.